In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up flat fee shipping in Shopify using Shippo. If you're running a Shopify store and fulfilling orders with Shippo, offering a simple flat shipping fee at checkout can be confusing. Here's the key thing to know up front. Shippo's built-in feature called Rates at Checkout, which includes flat rate options, isn't natively supported for Shopify as of the latest public documentation. That means Shippo won't control what your customers see at checkout on Shopify. But there's a reliable workaround, and it's actually built right into Shopify. You'll set your flat fee option directly in Shopify, and keep using Shippo for purchasing labels and fulfilling orders. Think of it as separating what the customer pays at checkout from the back-end tool you use to ship. Here's how to set it up. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Find the shipping profile you use, whether that's the default profile or a custom profile you've created for certain products. Within that profile, look at the shipping zones you're serving, such as your country or region. For the zone where you want to offer a flat fee, click Add Rate. Choose the custom flat rate or simply flat rate option, then enter the exact amount you want customers to pay at checkout. If you want to be more specific, you can add conditions so the flat rate applies only under certain order prices or weights, like a flat fee for orders under a certain amount. When you're happy with it, save your settings. That flat rate will now appear at checkout for customers in that zone. This method tells Shopify to always charge the amount you've set, regardless of the actual carrier cost you pay when you buy the label. It's simple, consistent, and easy for customers to understand. A quick tip: name the rate clearly, like standard shipping, and consider adding a delivery estimate so shoppers know what to expect. Now, what about Shippo? Shippo does have a feature called Rates at Checkout that supports flat rates, free shipping, and live carrier rates. But that feature currently works natively with platforms like Wix, not Shopify. On Shopify, Shippo will import your orders and let you create and print labels, but it won't override or display its own flat rates at checkout. So you shouldn't rely on Shippo to present a flat fee to your customers within Shopify. To recap, set your flat fee shipping in Shopify's shipping and delivery settings, then continue using Shippo behind the scenes for label creation and fulfillment. It's a clean, dependable setup that keeps checkout simple while you manage shipping efficiently.